Well, hello YouTube. So I'm doing BMW trunk latch, the door switch. So basically, it's, the locking. So what happened to my lock? It started getting all brittle, and it wobbles too much. And it's annoying 'cause when you're driving, you could hear it. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna swap it on with a new one already. I got it off eBay. It's OEM. So I'm gonna just put it. I was looking at videos online. So I heard you just push on this, and it should come off. It takes some pushing around, and then eventually it comes out. You have to push the switch. You have to unlock this little power switch. It comes out. It has a little tab on top. You have to pull on it. So I was able to pull it out, but you need two hands. It comes off. Once it comes off, put it to the side. You get the new one. You look at the switch where it goes. It's not only gonna go one way. If you can see the shape of it, look at the shape of the plug. So it's gonna go in one way. Let me put it in real quick. So once it goes in, clicks. Once it clicks, you just put it back in place. Show you right now. Moves wire in. Make sure it doesn't block you. Push this in. First the back. Make sure it's locked in place. And this one has two pins. So look, one pin right there, and one over here. So here and here. You're gonna push it up, and it'll lock. You should hear it. Let me just make sure it's in place correctly. Hold up. And then it made it click. It just took some time, but it's in already. So this is a finale testing the lock. It opens. It's really nice. No more, fading. The old switch was really bad. Cracking, brittle. It would wobble. The string weren't even open no more. Only with the remote. But I wanted something new. So now with this switch, I could just close it, open it, and now look comfortable now. So remember, this switch is for a BMW E90. For the E90 platform, it's for the trunk hatch switch. So if you want to do it, it's not hard. It just takes patience. And when you put it in, don't push it hard because you don't want to break the latches going to for the switch latching onto this corner. It's just two. And good luck with all your DIYs. Well, thank you guys for watching my video, guys. I'll be posting more videos later on, DIYs, more information about other parts, other things to do. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like, and thank you for supporting this channel. And we'll come soon. Thank you very much.